Hi, today we're introducing SnoutScout, an application that helps you understand your pet better. We are a team of people who have experience across business, development, and computational neuroscience. And we all also have pets, so we're super excited and equipped to be working on a project like this.
Let me tell you about the story that inspired our company. The first week I got my first bunny, I noticed suddenly that my bunny was shaking its ears in a pretty violent way. My first intuition was my bunny is having a stroke. So I looked quickly online and it validated my intuition. So I ran into a vet and the vet laughed at me because she told me that it's the way that my bunny actually expresses joy. Based on that experience, I thought that we could build an AI app that could scan our pets and give us behavioral status and health.
AI has been becoming more and more prominent in the animal health market, and we've been seeing incredible growth coming from rising pet ownership and increased spending on pet care. Many firms are actively trying to enter the market with innovative products and services, and this innovation has been keeping the market competitive. Almost all of the 94 million total pet owning households happen to value their pets way more than themselves, but at the same time, they don't regularly take their pets to the vet. This trend continued when we spoke to over 20 people in Forest Park who were walking their dog on Saturday morning. We found that a majority of them looked to general AI like ChatGPT or Grok as a substitute for the vet diagnoses. And we thought, with an increased number of people using generic AI to get medical advice for their pets, why are there no tools dedicated to helping them?
Our product is actually the first AI that combines computer vision and sound processing algorithm to scan your pet and give you categorization about your pet behavior and your pet health.
Hello, everyone. This is a live demo of SnoutScout. So you might have a dog who makes a bark, an unusual bark. Now, in my opinion, that does not sound good. As a dog owner, I'd be really concerned about what is going on with my dog. So I would upload the audio to SnoutScout, and it'll give me some sort of diagnosis on what's going on. So it gives me a suggestion of engage in gentle comfort and low energy bonding activities like soft petting, quiet cuddling, or sitting close together. Now, you look at the suggestion, you might be like, great, that's good. But for someone who's a little more inquisitive, they might wonder, why should I do this? So they can read the explanation here and they'll realize that the dog's pretty sad and maybe experience some sort of emotions like low stimulation or emotional distress. And then you have a good reasoning as a homeowner, maybe what's wrong with your dog. And there's recommended products to help alleviate your dog's issues as well. Now, what if you don't have an audio? Maybe the issue is a little more visual. In this case, you might have an image. So your dog may have been outside for a bit and then all of a sudden comes back with this injury. You may be like really concerned on what's going on. Well, turns out it's a licking injury. And it will then give you some options on what to do. So apply anti-lick spray, e-collar, or antiseptic wound gel. And you can consult a vet if this problem persists. So as this application develops, we can have veterinarians be on the top of recommended products, maybe one in your local area of some sort.
And then to touch a little bit on what's happening behind the scenes, we have built two small AI models called classifiers that take in one's for images, one's for audio, and they process those files and determine what's going on with your dog. And then we send those over to a generative AI model. It comes up with recommendations.
There are plenty of companies looking to leverage AI in their pursuit of pet care. And while many of them use little to no AI in their product offerings or they offer very niche support, we found one other company called Petriage that aims to use AI as a general advisory system. The key difference? Petriage provides telehealth services and uses AI as a symptom checker, whereas SnoutScout offers AI analysis based off of photo and video to interpret both health red flags and emotional or behavioral states.
Our application has a variety of different use cases, including supporting your pet's emotional well-being, monitoring your pet's health, and training your pet. We also touch on four whole sustainable development goals, including well-being, and also this is an extremely innovative approach for tackling pet health. We are also aiming to help people avoid unnecessary trips to the vet.
Our business model has four phases. First, get customers on our platform. Second, get affiliate programs as well as vet and clinics partnerships on our product. This allows us to, when we recommend a solution, we can put the top result of anyone who's affiliated with us to the top of the solution results. And finally, we have our final phase will be to allow insurance companies to use our site to verify claims made by pet owners themselves.